This is an old Lakewood base blade. I think this is like the 201, model 201 or something. It's the 200 series, but it's the newer 200 series. It's at a church, just in a kitchen, moving air around. It's sucking the hot air out of the kitchen, kinda. Works great though. And that thing does not. Probably hear it. Yeah, not very healthy. Anyways, under the base blade, here's high, medium, and low, which I've only heard it run on low. It moves a good enough amount of air on low to do its job. Bearings are great. Spin down time is good for a base blade. That's it.